Hello students, after completing chemical reactions of amines, next and important topic of this chapter is diazonium salt. This diazonium salt is generally represented as Rn2 plus X minus or N2 positive X minus, where R means alkyl and here Ar means aryl. So alkyl diazonium salt or aryl diazonium salt. Then next is N2. So N2 is a diazo group. It is a diazo group where nitrogen triple bonded with the another nitrogen. Okay. Then next is X minus. Generally we considered X means a halogens, but here not a halogen but another anions also present there, like a Cn minus, Br minus, then HSO4 minus, BF4 minus. These anions also involved in this X minus. Okay, then next will be the preparation. So the preparation of diazonium salt we are already discussed under the topic reaction of amines with the nitrous acid. Okay, so याच्या अगोदर जो आपण एक लेक्चर घेतला होता त्याच्यामध्ये आपण प्रायमरी अमाइन्स जे आहेत यांची रिॲक्शन केली होती नायट्रस ॲसिड सोबत आणि त्याच्यानंतर आपण तयार केला होता डायॲझोनियम सॉल्ट. जर तो व्हिडिओ पाहिला नसेल तर सर्च करून टाकाल, तुम्हाला मिळून जाईल. त्याच्यात तुम्हाला थंबनेल दिसून जाईल डायॲझोनियम सॉल्ट फॉर्मेशन. ठीक आहे, तरी सुद्धा इथं आपण एक शॉर्ट त्याची रिॲक्शन इथं लिहून घेऊ. तर इथं आपण लिहू पहिले RNH2. This is a aliphatic primary amine. It's react with HNO2 nitrous acid. Nitrous acid कसा तयार होतो? In the reaction mixture containing the NNO2 and the dilute HCl. Okay, then this reaction takes place at very low temperature like 273 to 278 Kelvin, and we get our product R, then N2X minus. Okay, now this is your product, that is a alkyl diazonium salt. Okay, now this alkyl diazonium salt, it is unstable. It is unstable and it decomposes to ROH. Okay, it decomposes to ROH means. Then next preparation we can write by using aryl amines. So here ArNH2 plus again HNO2 in the NaNO2 plus HCl at again low temperature, it gives ArN2 plus X minus. Now this is the aryl diazonium salt. Now this aryl diazonium salt is a stable one than alkyl diazonium salt. This is a stable one, but it is stable for a short time. Okay, it is stable for a short time, and this stability is because of due to resonance. Okay, now next we discuss its resonance structure. So because of that it is a stable one. So next topic is resonance. I draw here a structure of aniline. Okay, so here aniline containing the first is nitrogen. Okay, but nitrogen aniline when reacts with the nitrous acid, there is a formation of diazonium salt. So here I write after the nitrogen N triple bond N. So this is the structure of diazonium salt. Okay, here nitrogen carries a positive charge. This nitrogen having the electron pairs. What happens? This nitrogen pulls this electron on it, and therefore this nitrogen again withdraws the electron from the benzene ring and they shift it to here, and so we get another structure where positive sign comes on the ortho position. Then there is the formation of double bond between the nitrogen and the benzene ring. Nitrogen carries a positive charge, then nitrogen containing double bond, and nitrogen carries a negative charge, and remaining bonds as it is. Okay, now next what? This pi bond shifted to here, and we get another resonating structure where positive signs comes to para position and get we okay, then another pi bonding shifting and another we getting the resonating structure. Okay, and in the last these electrons again shifted to benzene ring and we get nitrogen positive charge triple bond nitrogen. And why this triple bond? Because when this electron shifted to benzene, these electron pairs again shifted between the two nitrogen atoms. So these are the resonating structure where charges get stabilized. Okay, where charges get stabilized. And the next topic of diazonium salt, that is the properties. So there are simple two properties we have to mention here. First one is diazonium salts are the colorless crystalline solid, and second one is they are soluble in water. Generally they are soluble in the warm or hot water. Now why this diazonium salt soluble in water? And the reason is diazonium salt is a polar and water is also the polar, so there is possibility of the reaction, and hence diazonium salt is soluble in a water. Okay, and in this chapter next we are to discuss diazonium salt reactions. Okay, so the reaction involving two types. First one where diazo group, okay, or diazonium group get replaced, and another type of reaction is diazonium group retained. Okay, now this diazonium group replacement reaction shown by Cl minus, I minus, then F minus, Cn minus, OH minus. Okay, and in the diazonium group retained there is only one reaction we have to study, and that is a azo coupling, or we can say simple coupling reactions. Okay, now next in this type of reactions diazonium group replaced, there are some naming reaction. First one is Sand-Meyer reaction, then number second Bals-Scammon reaction, Number third, Gattermann reaction. Okay, so all this is the introduction of diazonium salt. In this lecture we discuss its representation, okay, then its preparation, which is already discussed in the reaction of amines with the nitrous acid. Okay, here primary amine forms a diazonium salt, but it is unstable and decomposed to alcohol. Then aryl amines forms a aryl diazonium salt, which are stable for a short time due to the resonance. And next we discuss diazonium salts resonance, and then properties. They are the colorless, crystalline solid, and the soluble in the water. And then we have to study in this chapter the reactions of diazonium salt, where first type of reaction is diazonium group get replaced, and second type is diazonium group retained. Okay, so these reactions we will discuss in a next video.